Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMP ka Raja Sabha nakajala u Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ulaong baka Jingshah ka sing National People's Party haka Election MP Lok Sabha kadai nakadaw ka Jingpenkhi ya ka Reservation Policy. Ula ay ka Jingaro yu Menteri rang ba kajala u Konrad Sangma namartang nakabenta ba ukwa bandan ka Jingatali haka jala u Menteri rang ba ula ko ngu ban pet banya ya ka Reservation Policy haka jala nakata kadaw baka sing kala syaremno. U Dr. Kharlukhi ulaong lada ka Jingjob ka VPP haka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kadai shisha nakabenta ka khuit ka subah ka sensyar ka khadar kanwan ra ka Jingbaha ka jala handai lada ka Jingjob kadai tang nakadaw ka Jingpenkhi ya ka Reservation Policy kamdai ka babaha.
Politics, like what I said, always changes. Like number one, now we are, for the first time in the history, for the first time in the history of Meghalaya, that we have a chief minister who wins back to back, which means 5 years and then coming back 5 years. So it's quite natural. There are times in which you lose election. See, like Dr. Mukul, 8 years, then he lost election. That is part of politics. Okay, and at the same time, it depends on the situation that you're facing. Like, you know, this time, this side, we're facing a wave. That side also we are facing a wave. So to me, my assessment is not that because BJP supported us. I don't believe that. Why I said that? Because in 2016, not only that BJP supported us, even Joel Aram, the present Tribal Affairs Minister today, he was campaigning with me. And CM won nearly by 2 lakhs. And he broke the record in Garo Hills. And those WhatsApp are already read. Right from the time of P.A. Sangma, it came that, you know, police are being beaten and all this. It doesn't. To me, I may be wrong. This, I think, is in both ways we lost because of the reservation policy. This side, they want to review. They look at us as if, you know, we are anti. That side, they don't want to review. And they look at the chief minister as who cater to the need of the Khas Hills. But I really appreciate my CM. There are times in politics, for the sake of the unity of the state, it's better that we lose election. But as a statesman, you have to decide what is right. At the height of that agitation, what the chief minister have to do? He have to convene a meeting, he have to agree to review. Because in his seeing that yes, this is the only way out. And I think it hit him that side and it hit us this side. So my point here is this. Well, if this election is won for clean politics, yes, it is good. I'm talking this side, I'm not talking that side. It is good. But if this hunger strike, if this election is won because of the hunger strike to review the reservation policy, I'll tell you it is a bad sign. And don't worry at all. All of us will be reaping the harvest. And I think we'll be still living to see the harvest of this. So this is my observation. Clean politics, yes, I think it's high time that people should not take money in the election. It's very good, but if it's the other way around, it is a bad sign for the state.
So how do...
If it is for clean politics, it's a good sign. So those who are clean, let them win. Those who are unclean, let them lose. But if the other way around, that is the danger.
Do you
because you've seen in papers, no? The reaction from both sides.
Do you see that this so-called wave will have an impact on the 2028 elections?
That I don't know, because you see, here's a VPP wave, there is a Congress wave. So if the waves collide, what happened? I don't know.
Since you are...
I don't know the way I'm seeing it. To me, there are two approaches to this election, which, you know, I was traveling here and there. I have heard of these two things. Yes, like I said earlier, if it is clean politics, it's a good sign. Because this is one of the approaches. Maybe people thought that, okay, we go For here's a party who's promising clean politics. But suppose if the majority of the people are going because of that hunger strike, because of the review of the reservation policy, that is a bad sign.
How do you see the VPP has come up with such a statement that it's in fact a big statement saying that they will destabilize? What is your take on that?
My take on that is that Meghalaya is not only Khasi Jaintia region, Meghalaya also is Garohians. So let us see let us see how when they plunge into the Garohians politics, let us see. Well, if they can win Garohians also, then yes, they will destabilize. But as it is today, it seems the Congress is, NPP is, they lost in 22 legislative assembly constituency. So Congress is coming up that side. So I don't know. This side is VPP.